Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to log into your NetSpend prepaid account. Whether you're looking to manage your funds, check your balance, or review recent transactions, logging in is the first step to accessing your NetSpend account online. Step 1. Open your browser. Open your preferred internet browser, such as Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Step 2. Visit the official NetSpend website. In the address bar, type in the official NetSpend website URL, www.netspend.com. Step 3. Locate the Login button. Once the NetSpend homepage loads, locate the Sign In button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the website. Step 4. Click on the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to be redirected to the Login page. Step 5. Enter your login information. You will be prompted to enter your user ID and password. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. User ID. This is the unique identifier that you created when setting up your account. Password. This is the password associated with your account. Step 6. Click Sign In. After entering your user ID and password, click on the blue Sign In button to proceed. Step 7. Verification, if applicable. If you have two-factor authentication, 2FA, set up for added security, you may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Step 8. Access your account. Once logged in successfully, you will have access to your NetSpend account dashboard, where you can view your balance, recent transactions, load funds, or perform other account management tasks. Troubleshooting tips. Forgot your password? If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link located on the login page and follow the instructions to reset it. User ID issues. If you can't remember your user ID, there will be an option to recover it on the login page.